Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to format Json in Visual Studio Code. First of all guys, I will show you how to download this software. So it is a pretty simple method. Go to your browser, open any kind of browsers, and then go to the URL section. After that, search for Visual Studio Code, images. Please guys, make sure that you are not confused between these two logos. As you can see here, I am using the bluish logo, so it is the Visual Studio Code. The other software, it is called Visual Studio. It is similar in the logo and name, but completely different in task and functions. So make sure that you are on the bluish one. Now let's go back and let's go to the official website. Here it is, code.visualstudio.com. And here guys, all I need you to do is actually click on download for Windows if you have Windows. If you have any other operator system, you can just click on this arrow and you'll find macOS, Linux, and Windows over here, or you can just open it on web. It is pretty simple guys. So after that, all you need to do is actually go to the installation process. So it is pretty simple, next, and then install and then create an account and log in into it. Now after we finish with that, so all you need to do guys is pretty much simple. Let's go over here, and now as you can see, all we need to do is go to file, new file, and here as you can see I don't have a JSON file. So what I can do, there is two ways. So the first one is going to new text file and then select the language, and here you will find the JSON. So let me just search for it. Here we go, JSON. Here it is. So here it is. And the other way, it is completely just by going to extensions. Let me just delete this. Search for JSON. And here it is. So this is the code. So JSON for Visual Studio Code. So this is the thing. So after you install it, you can go here, file, new text file, and then you can just not new file, and here you can just name it whatever you want. .json and create file, and here it is. It will be created in the language that you have chosen. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.